So with this exercise, we're going to look at our transition property. So if you remember, our hover pseudo class gives us a way to configure styles whenever the user moves their mouse over it. You can also use the transition to create a gradual change in the hover state. So we're going to create a new folder, 11.7, for this hands-on exercise. And in this, we're going to get our light and our lighthouse images again from our starter. Lighthouse, copy over here. Then we want to go back and get the starter file again. Edit this with Notepad. Let's take a look at this in case you don't remember what it looked like. Launching Chrome. So this is what we have to start with. Gonna save this as index.html. So I've got all this. I'm going to look at my navigation hyperlink. So let's pull this up so you can see when I put my mouse over it, I don't actually need to click on it, how it changes just directly to those other colors. So I'm going to find my nav A. I've got my text direction, display padding, and I'm going to add a transition. Transition background color, 2 seconds, linear. Save that, run it in Chrome. Come over here, remember this is what we had. Come over here. Now you can see that when you put your mouse on it, it slowly transitions to that other color instead of directly to it. It takes about 2 seconds to transition from the blue to the gray.